Data science. What is the data science role here? So the which component you have more idea? What is the data activator? Data activator. Give us some example. Data correct enough. So data activator majorly using for event driven based. Event driven based means if for example I will give you this one. This is again it can be applied in anywhere. So let me keep. I need to push this a little bit now. Driven we can data activator we can keep it in the any of this location. So if any data is changing or anything is, you have to do the real time activities. For example, if something is happening here in the data warehouse, something is like the new data came, then we can activate the data activator and we will come to know like which data is changing and you want to do the any activities on top of the latest changes, then this will help you. This data activator, it will be trigger when there is a event is something is changed at the real time. Okay, maybe this you will know better understanding once you will do some code changes. This is very important. If something is changing and here, if you want to know, like if you want the acknowledgement where it is changing and what it is changing, then the data activator will help you there. That's the data activator role. It's nothing to do anything. So now there is a three components are left. Let me know like which component we will use for what. Why we are using the Power BI? The here the Power BI is the reporting tool. You know, right? It will generate the reports based on your data. So Power BI mostly we call as a business intelligence tool. So you want to understand something from the data. What is this data? How this data can be useful for you and what we can do with this data. So this kind of all analytical stuff. Power BI is an intelligent tool, business intelligent tool. That's like a general definition. We can call as Power BI is a we call as a business intelligent tool. That is like a Power BI business intelligent tool. This is mostly we can use for generating the reports. Reports. Reports based on your data. So reports, what you will get on top of the reports? Why you need to generate the reports, right? Do you have any idea? Reports, you will know the data in insects. You know what is meant by data insects? Insects means you know what's the inside have data having that. What you can made with the top of the data. Then I will give you the very general terminology. Reports will explain what is the data, what is the data, and what we can. Okay, what is the data first one? So based on the reports, you will know what is the data because if everyone can't able to go inside and they can't see right what is the data and how we can use it. Explain what is the data. What is the data means like what is the data and what we can achieve with this data. what we can achieve this data. Achieve this data means achieve this data. This everything will explain in this Power BI reports. Okay. This meeting. Okay, right now you can see. Let me check.